How to create a dashboard using a blank Canva. As a tech leader, you understand the importance of having a clear and effective software data story to communicate with your team and stakeholders. However, not all metrics are relevant for every audience, and you need to be able to adapt your metrics and reports to fit your specific needs. That's where Keypup's engineering dashboards feature comes in. With this powerful tool, you can create a customized dashboard that meets the unique needs of your team and stakeholders from scratch or from a template. Here are the steps to create an engineering dashboard from scratch using Keypup. First, click on the plus New Dashboard button located at the top of the left navigation panel. As you can see, Keypup offers a variety of dashboard templates. For this specific tutorial, we'll select the blank dashboard. Then, click on the Edit Dashboard button located at the top right of your screen. You can now rename your dashboard, add a description and change the icon. Don't forget to save your modification. And that's it, you're done. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching.